All right, I had a customer drop off a 13 Kia Sorento, and she was saying going over bumps and steering feels kind of funny, and when she hits the brakes, the car wants a jolt one way or another. I don't feel the jolting, but I do feel the steering. It's like, it almost feels like lower control arm bushings, to be honest with you. All right, I think the best thing to do is get this thing back, get it up on the lift, and let me climb under this thing and see what's going on, because you definitely have some issues. I can definitely hear a lot of clinking and clanking. All right, if you focus on right here, when I shake this wheel, listen to it. Even though you didn't hear the wheel bearing, that is in the wheel bearing. I am 99% sure of that. Let me get one of my guys to shake. Bobby, come here and shake this thing. Just want to verify that it's definitely that wheel bearing in there. Yeah, go ahead and shake it. Now we're going with a lower ball joint on that. Felt like a wheel bearing when I first was shaking it, but I got on the inside here. It's tight. You could definitely see the lower ball joint. Right there, see that? There it is, right there. All right, but look at the front bushing. She's toast. The one on the driver's side, same way, she's toast. All right, so you guessed it. In this video, we're putting 2 lower control arms on a 13 Sorento. Let me get some parts ordered. When they get here, I'll give you the part numbers and we'll get them on the car. Let's get into it. All right, we'll start by taking the wheel off. Remember, if you have to jack your car up, use jack stands, always use caution. It's really not that bad of a job. It's probably a couple-hour job. It's something that's definitely doable at home. Skill level on this is probably going to be somewhere about maybe 3 or 4. All right, I forget where I was. Got 1,000 interruptions. So worst case scenario, I can get one side done for her today because she has to go, I think she said some kind of police convention or something. Also, I need to let her know that these brakes are toast, rotors are toast. So when she's hitting her brakes, like coming off the interstate, she's gonna feel a lot of vibration, but they're done. See if I can get you a good view. So look right inside here. That pad is gone. And you can look, you can actually see, you can feel and see the warpness in this. There is no turning these rotors. Nowadays, the price of rotors, they're so cheap, it's not even worth turning. If you can buy a decent set of rotors for like anywhere from $35 to $65, you know, if I charge $30 to turn it and then you've lost half your material, what the hell good is that, right? All right, let's go ahead and get this lower control arm off. First thing we're going to do is unbolt it. All right, the lower ball joint bolt is a 17. So if you look right here, there's a, which I didn't even see it, not paying attention to, is the car key sitting right in there we need to get out. Makes it a little bit easier, huh? All right, then we're gonna knock this out. The front of the control arm is held on with 19. And the nut on top is an 18. All right, this one is a little tight, so I got 2 wrenches, stuck them together, and just kind of get it started a little bit anyway. Dang, that bad boy's on there. You know, I told you wrong. These nuts are a 19, not a 18. All right, I got my guy Danny over here helping me. He's gonna put pry down. It's just easier, 2 people on this sometimes. I think it came a little bit. That's good. Oh, you let go. Let go. All right. Holy crap, Batman. These ball joints, like I said, they are replaceable, but the front bushings were gone on both sides. So that's why I recommend doing the whole lower control arm. Because if I did that, literally she'd be back in 6 months to do the control arm because they were bushings that go bad. The part numbers are 4431. There is a right and a left. These parts supplied by Rally's Auto Parts. Not a sponsor of the video, we just buy their parts. Although I buy enough shit from them, they should sponsor a video. All right, let's get it on the car. I'm probably gonna get one of my guys to give me a hand putting it on. It is doable by yourself, but I am in such a rush today that the extra hand would be awesome. I always put just a little bit of lube on everything. I found growing up through the years that extra lube always works for me. All right, let's get it on the car. Woo! See if you can hear me. Come over here and help me, help me. There's my deaf boy, Danny. Yeah, help me out.
I think. Stop.
Yeah. Yeah.
Boom. No, stop.
Okay. Yay! Yay! I see. You're fucking with me. Huh. So we're sitting here, and I should have took that bolt out because that thing got caught right here in the lip, and I didn't even see it. But thanks to Danny, thank you.
What?
Sometimes you get going 100 miles an hour, you don't pay attention. Especially when you know a customer's got to be somewhere. Woo! We good? So if you look right here, these threads are junk. I went ahead and bought a new lower control arm bolt. And that one there doesn't have a Carter key. It's got a self-locking nut on it. So this is what we're going with right here. I tell you what, it's almost impossible to get things done. My brother and them had to take off and run some errands, and I just can't seem to get nothing done. It's a good thing I have my guy helping me out on some of this. I would never get it done. Be here forever. Come on, man, shit. The new bolt of 17 going in. We got a bite that time. Right side is done. Left side's a rinse and repeat. Once we get that done, we'll take it for a test drive. See you in a bit. I can already feel night and day difference. There's no play in the steering wheel. But I need to let her know that. Look at all the lights she's got on. Traction control, the hill light, red brake light, ABS light. She's got every light in the world on here. All right, let's get back to our drive, y'all. Hit the brake, take off. I don't hear anything at all. I think we're good. But you've got to get them brakes taken care of. Like I said, when you get up a high speed and I come down for a brake, watch this road, watch my wheel. Let's try to get up to about maybe 60. See if the wheel shakes a little bit. Oh yeah. And just like that, this job is done. I didn't show you the left side. It went so much smoother. The right side, like that ball joint was so bad and so rusted in there, it just fought the hell out of me. Left side, I did it by myself. All right, that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.